So somebody brought up a really good point from my last video. What if people don't want to use the social distancing belt? Now, I hadn't thought of that. That's a good point. So we need a device or something that enforces people that don't want to social distance to social distance, not to help people social distance better or So upstairs I have an airsoft gun that I used to play airsoft with, but now I'm scared of bits of plastic, so I don't play that anymore. But we could put it to good use. So I proposed to the government, we get these little devices, put them at the end of each road. We have an airsoft gun in like a holder, and then a camera underneath it. It will detect a person using object identification, and then track onto them and follow them. And then if it's 100% sure it's a person, shoot them. Shoot them. Apart from the small chance of them becoming permanently blind if it hits them in the eye, I think this is a flawless approach to the problem. Hay fever's in full swing, you know, just crying at grass. It's been 2 weeks since I recorded the motion detection test thing, and yeah, there's been no progress. I'm not smart, it turns out. Okay, now I did get some things done. Not many, but some. I got the camera, the motion detection working. So my initial idea was to have these things called a servo. So a servo is a little device that you can tell to point at, say, 180 degrees to 70 degrees, and you can aim it like that. So I designed this. Now, oh, that's neat. 3D printed, servo in the bottom, spins on the top. Yeah, it was. It was a pretty straightforward procedure. You know, 3D printers are great. You can do so much. The problem is, with 3D printers, you have to design the things you want to print. I've never really done that before. You know, that's why you like prototype and stuff. So in here I have, you know, a few prototypes that I made, not too many. You know, it wasn't too bad. And it still doesn't work. So that's the epic part about it. We spent a lot of time on it and it's still non-functional. Okay, you can see it's beginning to unscrew itself. Because it's so heavy, it's also starting to stall out. It's struggling to move so much, it's drawing the max amount of power it can. Solution to the problem that you've just seen is bigger servos, really, just stronger servos. So these are the ones that, it's like a really shit makeup channel. It has the same strength as my, everything. I'm really weak, everything. Metal Gear's thick boy. He's even got double the space for screws. He's that hench. As you can tell, they are bigger than the whole system. So all of that plastic was wasted. Brilliant. Now I know what you're thinking. Ollie, what drugs did you take? This is hay fever. The best. Fever. I'm gonna leave it on, but I'm not gonna put the firing thing on. So right now you're seeing it point, but it shouldn't shoot anything. Yeah, it can't. Nothing should pull the trigger. What the? That's face height. I ain't digging that. Okay, look. No, that's pointing at my face. Lad, no. I'm not playing that game. I'm not getting shot square in the face. As funny as that would be. It's very peen level. This video might make me infertile. Should be live.
You have any idea how fast I really am?
I'm kind of really scared about this. Please just... Whoa, yeah, okay, that works. Oh my God. Oh man, I hate the noise. The noise it makes is the scariest part. It sounds like a robot coming to kill you. I really ain't, I'm scared. I'm actually actively scared of something I made. Grow up. It's pieces of plastic. I should get shot in the face. I have something to, what? Okay, chill. Go on, blast me, my guy. Wait, the tablet's in the back. What the? Okay, that concludes the Sentry turret gun. I did realise after sort of editing this and filming this that it has no relevance to the COVID-19 problem now. But the idea was there at the start. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with how this turned out. It was my first computer vision project. It sort of worked. I'll take it. So yeah, if you enjoyed it, hit the like button, subscribe. If you have any more ideas, put them in the comment section below. What's that? What? Why are there only 2 clips of the gun working? And why were they so short? Okay, we good. Wait, no, I can hear it trying to shoot. What happened? Why didn't it shoot? The plastic break, it did. No, you're joking me. Anything, you know, anything that could go wrong will go wrong. That's exactly what's happening right now. I'll be very, very upset and surprised if this has any problems now. It's definitely gonna have some problems. Well, I don't know why it's failing. Please just shoot, if not. Are you joking me? It has just yeeted itself off. This isn't happening. Turns out I never recorded the audio from this mic as well. This one. You probably couldn't hear anything I was saying the whole time anyway. So that's always cool. I just fried my Raspberry Pi as well. So I have my Raspberry Pi set up so if you short the bottom 2 pins, it turns off. And I shorted the top 2, which is not good at all, and it just fried straight away. This might be the end.